Good morning from a very misty Alton Towers.
Yeah.
And guess what today is? The first day of Phalanx Expo, which is the Fireworks Spectacular. Woo! Na-na! And obviously you can't see it, but check the size of that bloody screen.
Hold on. Just trying to
Ba
aim
ba
it.
ba 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 ba.
There it is.
Are the big two ones nervous system as well?
Hi. If you consider them two the big ones. With me today is Peyton and her boyfriend Vicente. Hello. You're now vlog famous.
The only thing about me that's unique is I'm Brazilian.
Hola, amigo.
Oh, Spanish you do.
Well, that's one way to start a bloody vlog into it. We're going to go to Towers Trading first and see if we can grab some pin badges, fireworks pin badges. But yeah, Ryan's here as well. He's down there vlogging currently, and we are waiting on Polly and Chris to arrive, and then Sharon, Raymond and Stephen will be here as well.
Should we go and have a look at Towers Trading at the new Phalanx Expo stuff?
Yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of this, to be fair, because it's
it's printed.
if you wash it a few times, it's gonna go that horrible rub the pattern off in it. I'm not keen on that. The hat's alright because the hat's embroidered.
That's what I'm thinking of getting the hat. Cause
That's quite nice, yeah. And they also have caps.
Rain.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Again, it's gonna rub off when you wash it though.
And also when we wear it.
Yeah, we've got caps too. Caps are coming in at £18 before discount. Beanies are also £18 before discount. So basically what I'm going to say is this merch that you see right here, this stuff that is out, once it's gone, because that's all they've got. Limited stock.
Hence why I'm taking one of
Why
these.
don't you just get a hat?
Because I want to keep my head warm.
He's a strange boy.
Oh, sorry. Is that going to keep my head warm?
That's so cute. I know it's Scarefest, but look.
Also, can I just say what else is cute? Look at that.
Yeah, that's cute.
That's cute.
But I think is that not Croc charms? It is.
Oh.
Yeah, I hate Crocs. You can keep your Crocs. I've got that mug in the house.
Yeah, you have.
I got that one last year.
I'm not saying much more at the minute.
I feel as if this bit has got a lot smaller this year.
I'd say the opposite.
It felt bigger last year.
No, I feel like it's a bit more open this year.
The best place to stand, in my honest opinion, is here on this hill, because then you get the full view right in between the two screens.
We've got a noodle bar this year.
Look, they've got a Phalanx Expo symbol right above the stage too. They've went all out with that. I swear, this has got to be Galactica related. It's blue, for Christ's sake.
It's too coincidental.
And there's also a timer on the screens which says 9 hours and 11 minutes.
Until fireworks start.
Yep. Fantastic.
So you've got whole this year.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're half filming. I was checking myself into that then. The Wonder Bar,
Yep.
churros,
Yep.
chicken and chips, steak, noodle bar,
Yep.
churros and coffee, and
That-
the Wonder Bus.
That over there is the VIP area.
Yeah. There's a noodle bar this year.
Churros.
Aye, but you don't get any discount with these ones.
And that down there, that is Rise Adventures. And I swear to God, he would vlog his fucking toenail if he thought it would get him views.
Can
He's
I also
so
say,
freaking bad for it. He
can I
vlogs
also say,
everything.
that's interesting.
Yeah, that bit there.
high. Because normally, and because I saw what you posted, not last year because I was here, but year before, you've had the 2 trusses with the screens, but we didn't have that.
No, we didn't have that bit in the middle.
So I don't know about you, but I'm going to have a quick walk.
You got yourself a merch.
Yeah, keep my head warm.
It's called a hood,
I'm
Karen.
just like, if you watch this vlog back, you will see that. Hi, Ryan.
Hello.
If you watch this vlog back, you will hear me say, "There's Rise Adventures, who vlogs everything. He would vlog his fucking toenail if it got him views."
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, he would.
I would
He
not.
fucking would.
Wow. You're offensive again.
He's so bad.
Hey.
You take forever to vlog.
And?
This is interesting, though, isn't it?
That's interesting because I've never seen that.
No, that's.
Fireworks.
I've never seen that.
What?
That.
The stage. Obviously,
Do you have a stage previous years?
no, they didn't.
No, they didn't.
Not here.
No, they didn't.
There, yeah. There, no.
They've never had this.
I expect to be over 30,000 this year. Fireworks.
Yeah.
Today or
30,000.
tomorrow?
All of it.
The whole lot. All weekend.
No, not people. If you know what happened to John Dalton,
Alton Towers Resort presents the Phalanx Expo. Hello and welcome. Throughout your evening you can expect jaw-dropping product demos, live music and an explosive fireworks spectacular. Live on stage, fully functional, will raise the expo curtain with an infectiously entertaining show. The band's high energy, funky and fun performance is not to be missed. A perfect way to begin a once in a lifetime event. Welcome to the Phalanx Expo. New Phalanx CEO John Dalton, who's back, is set to launch the latest line of Phalanx products. As Mr. Dalton's special guest, you will be blown away by the no expense spared opening ceremony. Out of this world fireworks, lasers, lights and explosive moments will leave you in no doubt that the future truly is Phalanx. I've just done Hex for the first time since they refurbished it. We all did. Hi Sharon! Hi Raven! Stephen in the background that you can't, like, he's just not paying attention. Stephen's there. The updates in there are fantastic, like the tubing connected to the tree, the lights on the ceiling, the added lightning effects in the pre-show. I thought that was fantastic. The music's the right level, which means you're not being overpowered by the sound. I liked it.
It doesn't say it on that board, but it does say it on that one about flashing lights.
Right.
They have created a.
If
a
you are
fantastic illusion in there.
epileptic, don't go on it.
It's not very good for people that are epileptic, so if you are, I'd avoid.
Flesh and lip. Robin.
Aye. That means somebody from the other side's watching you.
About to say that.
And it just flew past my face, so
Put it as up there. Teddy Boos.
it just flew past my face. So whoever it is that's watching me from the other side, can you send me some cash? Because I'm skinned.
Send it all some, please.
I don't know what we're doing now. Probably 13 or Vita. Toilet as well. Because Polly needs a tinkle. But yeah,
Polly needs to go pee pee.
we'll let you know how that goes and where we decide to go next. We've just done Rita. Vicenti's just done Rita.
I was bald in the photo. I was actually bald.
He screamed.
The whiplash, though.
And Ryan, being the dick that he is, decided that the best thing to do for Vicenti's very first time on Rita
Second row,
was
Rita.
take him on the second row.
prick.
Wow! Knowing fine well that the boy was shiting
That's
himself.
a minor.
That's a minor. And throw them in the pool and hope that they can swim.
You'd be a shit teacher.
That's how my mum learned how to swim.
Because I wouldn't swim.
It was either sink or swim. So yeah, we are currently headed round to X Sector because Polly hasn't been in X Sector this season. Going to go around there, jump on Oblivion, possibly the Smiler, depending on how I'm feeling, and then up to Forbidden Valley, I think, after that. So let's see what else we can get Vicente to go on, shall we? If he's not too scared. I'm stealing this from Polly. That shopping cart, the ride. Or trolley if you're English. Shopping trolley, the ride. Backbreaker.
No, I only know it with you.
It's my neck and my back that always gets it. Minutes isn't too bad for the smiler, to be fair. Many minutes. Yeah.
Oh, it'll be back open in a minute. You're not going down a hole.
Pace, give us a wave. Smile.
Now, make sure you keep hold of your loot and turn the wheel in the middle to add kick to the boot. The faster you spin the wheel, the greater the power. We'll make fine buccaneers out of you yet. That's it, shipmate. That's it. Keep turning the wheel. You show her where it's done. Now, look out for explosions and hold on tight. You're in for a lesson. You're sure there to forget.
Thinking Marauders Mayhem.
I've went on it before.
Did you like it?
My hands went numb. Look at this. It's so cold. The handles are so You're okay though?
Well, you'll be happy to know that the Runaway Mine Train doesn't even go as fast as that. That's faster. So there you go. You've just done that, and that was easy, wasn't it? There you go then.
That's fun.
Hey, guys, hold tight. Here we go.
Time. The sky is brown. I just went, the sky is brown.
The sky is brown.
Do you know what anime? Do you know what somebody told me once, right? And I've thought about it ever since, right? It says to me, do you know why the sky's blue? I was like, don't know. Because it's the sea reflecting on the sky. And I'm sitting and I'm thinking, right, so why is it brown at night time?
The sky.
Shit puddles.
The sky.
Rain.
The sky's always black.
Aye.
But what it is that you're seeing during the day,
There is
As-
no
At least
reflection
my LCD's
to the
reflecting,
sky at night
the human
apart
eye,
from the moon.
the shortest colour that you can see
Is white.
is blue.
Oh,
The bulbs and
So
being
that's why
out.
the sky's blue.
Got one out. There's a bulb out for him.
See a cat?
Raymond.
there's a bulbet.
40,000 bulbs on its tree, Ryan.
Aye.
And if one bulb that we know about.
Anyway,
Yeah.
He goes
I
nuts.
sold it for eBay for 70 quid.
Just that eye hidden behind the poster. Oh, it looks better when it's lit up at night time.
Please may I have some hot tea?
No, you may not. I'll get you, wretched little creature.
To ensure all visitors are welcome and comfortably aboard. Please watch your step as you board.
Oh!
I knew it.
Submit to the spin. New ride coming 2025.
Gives a name.
Hello there! We hope you enjoyed the Ultimate Fireworks Spectacular. Please note that Dark Forest and X Sector, where you can find 13, Rita, Oblivion and the Smiler, will reopen from 8 PM onwards. For the Dark Forest and Hex, please make your way to the Wickerman Plaza, following the one-way system in place. For access to X Sector, please remain in the arena and await further instructions from our stewards. Thank you for your patience.
So, we've just rode Wickerman in the dark after the fireworks, and he was flying, like super flying. I really enjoyed that ride actually. That was really good, that one. I was sat with Raymond and we were on like the 7th row.
That's the first one.
Yeah. No, yeah, we were in, wait. We were in row 7, yeah. We are currently heading through Forbidden Valley, as you can hear and see, so that we can get back to the car. But I might have a couple of updates when I come back tomorrow. I didn't vlog much today because I was just spending time with everybody and stuff happened. Can you take that bottle? Stuff happened today and Gary's got a big smile on his face. He decided to do this earlier. So as of this moment in time, the iconic geek is permanently off the market because of this guy. As obviously you can see, I said yes. Oh my god! I can't do that. I will leave you with some off-road shots of Nemi in the dark and see you in the next one.
Hiya, Con. Squire. Hiya, Con. Hiya. That's great.
Submit to the spin. New ride coming, 2025.